just want you to feel the way I feel inside.
Another day, another dollar. Asambe super boner. Team Pezguas. Zonke. Bonke. Zonke. Bonke. Salah dia mana tu kan gawe kita kan. Salah dia mana tu. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Nagalibito am _m or eva_m. And yeah, I saw her on this vlog. I didn't do intros, but I also wanted to do a sit down for you guys, just to catch up with you guys, December, but firstly, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, guys. Yeah, that's very important. Like before watching, and yeah, and share, guys. We're on 142 subscribers at this point while I'm recording. Today it's a Tuesday. And I just woke up, so I'm having this because as a Kalanic, if it's a periods, I was on my periods. So yeah, let's catch up, guys. Yeah, guys, I really had a nice festive season. I know that I'm late to just talk about it because it's already February at this point. Like I'm really late, but I didn't do a catch-up video with you guys. I started with an awareness video, so yeah, let's catch up. I had a nice December, but I was at work, guys. Like, we were working crazy shifts. I didn't rest much. Like, mind you, that's the time to rest at this point, because where I work at December, it gets busy, like very busy, guys. I was working the whole of December. I went out once. I think it was New Year's Eve. Yeah, not New Year's Eve. On the 30th, I went out. There was a gig more where I stay. Yeah, I went out with my twin sister. I'll put a picture here, somewhere here, to show you guys. And then on January, I started my year very nice, guys. I had entered a competition to go for a massage. I won the competition. I went for a massage. It was really nice. It was really, really nice. Like, like, that's one thing I noticed. I went out for a massage. I'll put a picture here, which I really enjoyed. It was for 2 people, and then I took a friend of mine. And then what else? Yeah, I did my vision board. I wrote down my goals, but I cannot show you guys. That one is my secret, and not my secret alone, actually. It's secret yaka le badimo ba ka le modimo wa ka. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. And yeah, I wanted to also like close this vlog just right here, because yeah, I'm not used to vlogging, guys. Like, one thing I noticed is that I'm very afraid to vlog in front of people, to take out my phone. It's very difficult for me. Like, one thing I enjoy is doing like sit down videos, because obviously I'm on my personal space. It's like easier that way, but having to flash it in public, like even when I do shopping, I hardly even do like take out my phone and just take videos, guys. Like, it's really hard. I don't know how to do it, but I'll learn, Sana. I'll learn. So guys, let me close off this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching this whole vlog until here. Thank you for the love you showed me on the first video of 2024. You guys, I really appreciate your support, and may we continue supporting each other. And yeah, let's close off this vlog. I'll see you guys on another video. Bye.